How to use DoNotPay subscription cancellation legal properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think cancelling subscriptions with DoNotPay is as simple as clicking a button, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to continued charges, service disruptions, or even legal complications. The first mistake is not fully linking your accounts. DoNotPay works best when it has access to the service you want to cancel. Beginners who skip connecting emails, app accounts, or payment methods may find cancellations fail or only partially process. Another common error is misunderstanding timing. Some subscriptions have billing cycles, auto-renewals, or cancellation deadlines. Beginners who attempt to cancel too late may still be charged for the next period. Always check the service's terms and confirm the effective cancellation date. Many users also fail to keep documentation. DoNotPay generates confirmation emails or receipts. Beginners who don't save these risk disputes if the service claims a subscription is still active. Overlooking multiple subscriptions is another pitfall. Services like streaming platforms or fitness apps may have multiple accounts under the same email. Beginners who cancel only one account might continue paying for others without realizing it. Finally, some users assume DoNotPay provides legal representation. While it offers automated legal tools, it does not replace an attorney for complex disputes. Beginners who rely solely on DoNotPay for legal action may face unresolved issues. To use DoNotPay subscription cancellation properly, link all accounts, understand timing, save confirmations, verify all subscriptions, and recognize its legal limits. Avoid these mistakes and you'll stop unwanted charges efficiently and safely.